NCEA Chinese Level 1, Characters and Compounds, Unit 17, brought to you by NZ Chinese Classroom. 大家好，我是安利老师. A few reminders before we start. Make sure that you pause the video to write notes. You focus on the structure and the meaning of the example sentences, because this is where you can see the words in context. Repeat after me to practice your tones and pronunciation, and write down any questions that you have so you can discuss them with your teacher. 我们开始吧. 你 You. This is one that you should have learnt right back at the start. 你想去哪儿? Where would you like to go? 你好 Hello. 你好，我叫安利。你呢？你好吗？你好. So, you good? Question, are you good? How are you? Cool. So, 你好吗? 我很好。你呢? These are some of these really simple ones you should have remembered right from back when you started learning Chinese. Cool. 年 means year. So you might have seen it in the date, maybe written on the whiteboard. So 2018年是狗年. So 2018 is the year of the dog. 你知道吗? 明年 is that last year or next year? 明年, so 明天 is tomorrow, so it's going beyond, so next year, 明年. 明年我想和家人一起去北京. Next year, what is it? I would like to go with my family together to 北京. 去年. So this is one of those exceptions to the rule. So we would have yesterday, 昨天, but last year is 去年, it's been and gone. All right. So 去年我坐飞机去了法国. Last year I took a plane and went to France. 法国. Cool. 新年, literally New Year. 新年快乐. Happy New Year. 年级. Practice those tones. 年级. This means year level or grade. 我是11年级的学生. Have a look at the sentence structure here. It's saying I am a year 11's student. So a student of year 11. Cool. 年. What's the difference between 你 and 年? Second tone. So this has the heart radical at the bottom. So this 年 is when you talk to someone who is older than you, maybe an older person or a respected person, and you're showing them respect from your heart. So 年. 奶奶好，您想喝水吗? Hello, grandmother, 奶奶. Would you like to drink some water? 您贵姓? So 贵 we know is expensive. So this literally means your most honourable surname. So what is your most honourable surname? So this is a really polite way to ask someone what their last name is. And in Chinese culture, often you would give your last name before you would give your first name. So if you're meeting someone who is older than you for the first time, you would ask 您贵姓? Practice that one and get it in your head. So 您贵姓? 我姓米. What is your most honourable surname? My last name, 姓, is Mi. So notice that the 姓 has the female radical in it. The last name has the female radical. That's quite interesting in the culture. 您好 to someone who is respected. Hello. 您好，我叫安利. Hello, I am 安利. 牛 This is our cow with the horn on it. Only one horn though. So 在农村我看了很多牛. In the countryside, I saw a lot of cows. 今天晚上我吃了牛肉. Now this is the meat of the cow. So tonight, I ate beef. 女. Remember, it's the NU ... on the top, third tone. Instead of U, it's a U. So remember, go e and then make your lips smaller. So e, u, don't move your tongue. All right, 女 female. 我有4个男老师和5个女老师. I have 4 male teachers and 5 female teachers. 女朋友 literally girlfriend. 你有没有女朋友? Do you have a girlfriend? 我没有女朋友. I don't have a girlfriend. 女生 remember 学生 is a student, so a 女生 is a shortened version for female student. 我们学校里有女生和男生. In our school, there are female students and male students. It's a co-ed school. 女校 from 学校 school. So 女校 is a girls' school. Remember last week, what is a 男校? That's right, a boys' school. So 他们学校是一个女校. Their school is a girls' school. And notice that the 他们 is a female 他们, so it's referring to them, but it's a group of females. 暖 This means warm. You won't see this one by itself though. But have a look at the character. We have the sun radical on it. So the sun warms us up. 暖和 What? But that's a he. So this is one of those characters that has the alternate pronunciations. So instead of he, this is 和 暖和 meaning warm. Not too hot, not too cold. So 教室里很暖和 Inside the classroom, it's very warm. Or 北京的春天很暖和 Springtime in Beijing is very warm. 怕 to be scared or to be frightened or afraid. So look at the radical here. We have the heart radical on the left-hand side. So this shows it's something to do with our heart. And when you're frightened, maybe your heart will beat or suddenly it will stop and you'll feel really, just really afraid in your body as well. It's not just in your head. So, 我怕狗. I'm afraid of dogs. 不怕 not afraid. 你怕说中文吗? Are you afraid of speaking Chinese? 不怕我很喜欢说中文. No, I'm not afraid. I'm very like speaking Chinese. 旁 This means a side, and you won't see it by itself. You'll see it with 旁边. So remember, 边 is a side or a face, so 旁边 means beside. So 我的茶杯在电脑的旁边. So have a look at the picture. 我的茶杯, my teacup, 在 is in or on the 电脑的旁边. My teacup is beside the computer, my computer. Cool. 中文教室的旁边是数学教室. So beside the Chinese classroom is the maths classroom. So have a look at these 2 different structures. These are 2 different ways to say that something is somewhere, beside somewhere. So we've got something 在 somewhere, and we've got something 是 somewhere. So can you make 2 different sentences using the same things, but using the 2 different structures? Write down an example and get your teacher to check it. Okay, 胖. So on the left-hand side, we have the flesh radical. And this means fat or chubby. So, 我的妈妈不胖. My mum is not fat. And 我的猫有点胖. My cat is a little bit fat. 这不是我的猫. You've seen my 猫 before. 我的猫不胖. Alright, 跑. You know this one before. Remember what radicals have we got it? We have the foot radical on the left-hand side and the 包, and that gives the sound over here. So, 跑步, to run steps, literally. It's a verb object. So, 我每天早上都会去公园跑步. Every day, I would usually, or I might go to the park to go for a run. Cool. 他跑步跑得很快. Remember the verb, object, verb, 的 plus adjective structure. So she runs very quickly. 朋, you won't see this by yourself, you'll see it together with 朋友, friend. So two moons together, so they are eternally friends. 朋友, 我有很多朋友, I have a lot of friends. 好朋友, good friend. 她是我的好朋友. She is my good friend, or you can take it to mean best friend as well. 好朋友. 我最好的朋友, best friend. 小朋友. This is a cute little name that you can use to refer to children. The little friends, you can call them 小朋友. 小朋友们都很可爱. So remember the 们 to make it a plural group of people. So the kids, they're very cute. 小朋友们. Alright, to follow up, write down any questions that you have. Get onto Quizlet to practice these words, complete any listening or reading activities, complete any grammar activities, and the unit test. Until next time, 再见.